Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting reinterpretations of a classic nameplate, the 2026 Ferrari Dino 206 GT. Based on the images you're seeing, this modern Dino blends heritage styling with contemporary engineering, delivering a design that feels both nostalgic and unmistakably Ferrari. In this video, we'll break down the car's front design, side profile, rear styling, interior, and then move into engine expectations, estimated pricing, and the anticipated launch timeline. The 2026 Ferrari Dino 206 GT emerges as a modern reinterpretation of one of Ferrari's most emotional nameplates, and the images you've provided reveal a design that blends heritage cues with contemporary performance aesthetics. From the front, the Dino presents a low, assertive stance with slim LED headlights that carve out a sharp, modern expression. The large black grille, carrying the prancing horse emblem, anchors the face with a sense of purpose, while the smooth curvature of the hood subtly echoes the original Dino's organic form. Air intakes integrated into the lower fascia reinforce the car's aerodynamic intent, giving the front end a balance of elegance and aggression. Moving to the side profile, the Dino 206 GT maintains compact mid-engine proportions, but the execution is far more sculpted and muscular than its predecessor. Wide wheel arches emphasize the car's planted posture, while the black performance wheels with yellow Ferrari center caps add a motorsport character. The body lines flow seamlessly from nose to tail, creating a continuous aerodynamic sweep that feels both fluid and purposeful. In motion, as seen in the rolling shots, the Dino appears incredibly stable, with reflections along the body highlighting its curvature and stance. The rear design is perhaps the most dramatic angle of the 2026 Dino. Quad exhaust tips, positioned symmetrically on each side, immediately signal performance, while the black mesh grille houses the Ferrari emblem with a bold presence. Above it, the classic Dino script badge returns in chrome, serving as a respectful nod to the original 206 GT lineage. Slim horizontal LED taillights give the rear a futuristic signature, and the large functional diffuser reinforces the car's aerodynamic and performance-driven character. When viewed on the road, the rear feels wide, powerful, and unmistakably Ferrari. Inside the cabin, the Dino 206 GT blends retro emotion with modern craftsmanship. The red and black leather interior creates a bold and luxurious atmosphere, complemented by a wood-trimmed dashboard that introduces a vintage, handcrafted feel. One of the most striking elements is the gated manual shifter, a rare feature in modern supercars and a deliberate choice to evoke the tactile driving experience of classic Ferraris. The steering wheel integrates Ferrari's signature controls and paddle shifters, while the digital instrument cluster maintains analog-inspired layout cues. A panoramic roof brings natural light into the cabin, enhancing the sense of space and elevating the overall driving ambiance. While Ferrari has not yet released official specifications, realistic expectations for the 2026 Dino 206 GT point toward a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, producing between 540 and 620 horsepower, with torque figures likely in the 600 to 650 Newton-meters range. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is expected, though a limited-edition gated manual variant could be offered for purists. With rear-wheel drive and a lightweight mid-engine layout, the Dino is projected to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.2 to 3.5 seconds, with a top speed between 310 and 325 kilometers per hour. This positions the Dino as a driver-focused supercar rather than a hypercar, emphasizing emotional engagement over sheer numbers. In terms of pricing, the Dino 206 GT is expected to sit below the Ferrari 296 GTB, but above the Portofino, placing its estimated price between $260,000 and $310,000 USD, or roughly 4.2 to 5.1 billion rupiah before taxes in Indonesia. As for the launch timeline, Ferrari is likely to reveal the Dino globally in the third quarter of 2026, with first customer deliveries beginning in early 2027. A special Heritage Edition could follow in 2028, further celebrating the legacy of the Dino name. The 2026 Ferrari Dino 206 GT is more than a revival. It's a modern reinterpretation of one of Ferrari's most emotional nameplates. With its sculpted design, heritage cues, and expected high-performance engineering, the Dino is shaping up to be one of the most compelling Ferrari releases of the decade.